Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for beginners. Alright, so now here we are in Perplexity AI, and the first thing that you need to do is you want to navigate here on the left side and you can see the sign in or sign up. So let's go and sign in because we already have an account, and we'll just go for Google right here. Alright, so now once you're all signed in, so now let's proceed into using Perplexity. So from here, we're gonna search something first right here, and notice that you have some suggestions right here, and you have this buttons right here. So this one is very important right here, so that you can set a focus on your sources, because your sources is a key component in getting your answers right here. So you can click on this one, and then you would have 6 options right here on your sources. You can go for academic, you can go for writing, Wolfram, YouTube, and Reddit right here. So in my case, I'd want something more formal, more really specific. So I can go for academic right here, so that this would be a credible source when I am citing my sources right here, if in any case I need to. So I'll just go and try the suggestions right here. So let's say I'll say I'm gonna go for the history of Matryoshka dolls. So I'm gonna click on that right here, and then it would give its answer this way right here. And one thing I really like about this is that it gives the sources right here, and not just that, it also labels them right here in its answer, so that we would know that which sentence or paragraph this one is from. We would know because this is labeled as number 2, which means it is from this source right here, and so on for the other parts of this paragraph right here. So that is really neat. So when you click on this sources right here, it would prompt you into their website, wherein Perplexity has gotten their answers just like this one. And then you also have these options right here. So this is also very good because you can search images based on your query. And then as you can see, I can see my Matryoshka dolls, and for the videos also, and I can also generate image right here, but that would include the pro version. So you would need the pro version for this, and we'll be discussing that more later on. And then you also have the pro search. So from here, you can go for understanding question, you can search the web for more, and as you can see that it has found 19 sources. And then you can find more right here, because as you can see, this topic is very well known, so there are a lot of sources right here. So yeah, it would depend depending on your topic, if it's popular. So it would depend if the sources are many or plenty on that topic. And then you also have this. This is also really neat because you can click on this one, and then you can create a collection for all of your queries or chats with Perplexity AI. So from here, you can let's name the title. Let's name the title sample collection. And then you can also add an emoji for your collection if you'd want to. So in my case, I'll just go for this one. And you can add a description. You can even add a prompt right here on how you'd like your answers to be formatted. So in my case, I'll just leave it be, click on create, just like so. And now when I go into my library right here, I should be seeing my collection. As you can see, I have this right here. So I can click on that right here. And then as you can see, we would have this right here. And as you can see, there are no threads. And then we can go and add this one right here. You can click on add to collection and click on sample collection. And now you'd be able to see it right here. As you can see, the Matryoshka dolls that we have asked is now right here. And that is very neat for a collection. And now moving on, let's go into the Discovery tab. This is basically where you discover topics that is made by Perplexity AI, and you can learn more or use this as a reference. And in the library, yeah, this is where you'll be seeing all your threads or all your queries, chats here in Perplexity AI, and of course, your collections and the search bar. And then the next one is, let's go for the pricing right here. So we can click on learn more, and then from here you can see that the pricing right here is $20 per month and $200 per year right here. So basically with Pro you'll be able to search more and use more complex search engines right here in Perplexity. And the next thing is that we're gonna go into settings, because there are some settings right here that would be very important. So we're gonna go with let's go with the AI model right here. As you can see, this is where you can use your Pro version, because you can use GPT-4 and other models right here, so that you would have a better search that you'd want, and of course your image generation model and so on right here. This is basically where you set it up here in the settings, and you have your profile right here. This is basically just an introduction of your profile, and of course your API right here if you need that. But yeah, this is basically where you do most of your settings in the account settings right here. So that is basically it for the beginners tutorial here in Perplexity. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.